Welcome to my channel. Canon PIXMA TS3522 won't connect to wireless network? Fix it fast. 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure your Wi-Fi router is working properly and other devices can connect to the internet. 2. Place the printer near the router. Move your Canon PIXMA TS3522 closer to the router during setup to ensure a strong wireless signal. 3. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on to refresh the connection. 4. Reboot your router. Unplug the router for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the network to reconnect. 5. Verify the Wi-Fi password. Double-check that you are entering the correct wireless password. Even a small mistake can prevent connection. 6. Use the wireless setup mode. Press and hold the wireless button on the printer until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking, then begin the setup process again. 7. Connect to a 2.4 GHz network. The Canon PIXMA TS3522 works best with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, choose 2.4 GHz. 8. Update printer drivers. Install the latest Canon printer drivers and software on your computer to avoid compatibility issues. 9. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Sometimes security software can block printer communication. Turn it off briefly and test the connection. 10. Reset network settings. If nothing else works, reset the printer's network settings and perform the wireless setup from the beginning. Thanks for watching.